Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. Today I'm sitting in a 2024 Nissan Altima and I will show you how to enable or disable the parking aid. So in case your rear parking sensors are not working, I will show you what to check first. This video should apply to 6th generation of Nissan Altimas made from 2019 all the way up to 2025. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the videos, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Okay, so to access the parking aid settings, you will be using these menu buttons on the left side of the steering wheel and looking at this screen on the instrument cluster. So you want to scroll all the way to the right until you reach this settings icon, and then you want to go to driver assistance and press OK. And here you want to get to the parking aids and select that. Now here you have a couple of options. Auto Show Sonar. Now this is pretty much when you are parking, like your vehicle will appear on the screen, and then the sensors will detect any object near the vehicle and you will get sound alert. So you can have it on or off. If you press OK, this will turn it off. If you press OK again, this will turn it on. So green is on, gray is off. Rear parking sensors. So this is the main thing you also want to check. If your rear parking sensors are not working, you want to make sure this is turned on. And then you can adjust here the distance and the volume of detection. So that's pretty much it. When you're done, you want to press the back button. Now this is the first thing to check in case they're not working, and then you want to check the fuses, and then you want to check the wiring and connections towards each of the sensors, because if there is a wiring issue, usually none of the sensors will work. And from my experience, usually there is a wiring issue because lots of mud and debris gets to that area with the rear sensors, and once the connections are cleaned, it starts working again. Worst case scenario, you will have to replace one of the sensors. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews, and other similar automotive topics.